Today we have another beautiful and simple PowerPoint slide for your next presentation. Without further ado, let's get started. On a blank PowerPoint slide, insert an image. Go to crop and choose an aspect ratio of 16:9 and crop it and drag it to fill the slide. Go to insert and shapes and choose a rounded rectangle. Drag the curvature to become maximum. Rotate and move it around like this. After reshaping and drawing these rectangles and the star, select all the shapes and go to Format, click on Shapes Outline and select No Outline. And go back to Format again, go to Merge Shapes and select Union. Select the background image and the shapes. Go to Format, Merge Shapes and select Intersect. Good. And click on the background, select Format Background. Select Picture and Texture Fill and click on File. Select the image you used for the background earlier and insert it. And change the transparency to 70%. And go back to Insert, go to Shapes again and select a rounded rectangle. Go to Format, click on Shape Outline and select No Outline. Go to the right hand side of your slide and change the color to white. Click on Insert and choose a text box to insert your text. Select the text, change the font and the font size. Adjust it to fit. Insert another text box to add more text as you wish. Go to Transitions, click on More and select the transition you wish. In my case, I'm choosing Zoom. Then I increase the duration to 10 seconds. And let's put our slide on slideshow to see how it's looking like. Wow, this is beautiful and simple to make. I hope you like it. Kindly subscribe and click on the like button. Thank you.